Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Standard Chartered Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the SC Mobile app. First unlock your iPhone and look at the SC Mobile app on your home screen. Tap the app once to open it. Step 2. Welcome and security screen. When the app opens, you will see the Standard Chartered welcome screen. For your safety, always ensure you are logging in from a secure and private location. Step 3. Enter your username. Next, enter your username, the login file. This is the username you created for Standard Chartered online banking. Step 4. Authenticate with password or biometrics. Next, enter your password. If you have enabled Face ID or Touch ID, you can simply look at your screen or place your finger on the home button to log in quickly. Step 5. Additional verification. For added security, SC may request extra verification such as an one-time password, also known as OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number or approve the request in the app. And that's how you can log in into Standard Chartered Bank Singapore on your iPhone. Now you can check your account balance, transfer money, pay bills, or manage your banking using the SC Mobile app. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.